Welcome to Culinary Adventures. Today we're making nut cookies with peanut cream. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. First, let's prepare the cream. I have 2 cups of ground walnuts here. I'll pour 1 cup of hot milk over them, then set it aside to cool completely. Meanwhile, we'll need 200 g of soft butter and half a cup of sugar. Next, I'll add the cooled milk and ground nuts. Mix everything together until combined, and the filling will be ready. I've already prepared the cookie shells. Soda, butter, 2 spoons of 18% cream, 2 eggs, 1 yolk. This is how they look. You can see how to make the shells in the video linked above. If some shells aren't perfect, don't worry. They usually aren't. We can trim them with scissors, and if you don't want to waste the scraps, you can simply add them to the mixture. Now, using a spoon, we'll stuff all the shells. The filling is quite runny, which is how it should be. After preparing all these nuts, we put them in the fridge. The filling will thicken slightly in the fridge. Gently press the 2 halves together to seal each nut. As you can see, the recipe is simple and the nuts are really delicious. Comment, subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. You can find this and other recipes on my blog. The link is always below the video. Thanks and take care.